Okay, guys, we're back again on a new video reaction, and this one is not going to take us much time. But let me say this before we allow the video to roll. If you are new, okay, on this platform, please subscribe, like the video, share it, and comment. Tell us where you are watching from and what to feel or what to think about what we are going to discuss. You know, when you see injustice and you ignore it, thinking that it's for them, it doesn't concern you, that whatever that happened to them remain there, it's not going to get to you. After all, you can buy anything that you want to buy, you can feed yourself, you can take care of yourself. You don't have anything, you're not lacking anything. Money is there, contacts, fame, everything, you have it. One day, those things that people are crying about, it may be your turn. That is why you need to call a spade, hear your voice to condemn anything that is condemnable, like killing of innocent people, invading people's home, ransacking villages, giving people what they don't want, insisting on government policy, knowing fully well that that thing is just is going to benefit government only. When you hear government, you're talking about only few individuals in government. Then thousands and millions of people that they claim they are ruling will be going through hell, and you're okay with that. This thing that I'm saying is I'm referring to those celebrities in Igbo land that Biafran government in Israel and Biafrans are making sure, doing what they can to stop invasion of Fulanis and brothers and sisters in armed forces. And to you, it is just a mere talk. It doesn't concern you. You don't feel anything. When it will hit you, you may not have anybody to speak for you. That is why it is always good for you to condemn anything that is not good and stand on the way of the truth. I don't know this guy. I don't know him. The guy that we are going to play his video, his complaint, because what happened to him in Southeast in Imo State, particular. He went there from Port Harcourt, according to him, and police was, trust Nigerian police, of course, happened, especially those ones in Imo State, where Hope them have grown a lot of criminal-minded people in them of police and the security forces, like Ebubago and all that. They caught him and claimed they're going to search him and all that. The rest is history. I'm going to allow him to say it, but don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it, and comment. Like I said, let's listen to him, then I'll be right back.
Please, Nigerians, I want to make this video. It's very, very important. Is Nigerian police now kidnappers? This is not my kind of content, but I have to step and make this video because a lot of people are at stake, a lot of life are at stake. Is Nigerian police right now, are they kidnappers? The IG of police, I'm making this video and I'm calling you to inspect everything I'm going to say in this video because everything happened real. His Excellency Hope Uzodinma of Imo State, I will not enter inside your state because I know you know me, but I will not enter your state from Port Harcourt and I will be, like, I don't know how to say it, I will not be useless for nothing, for no reason, because of police people. Very dark man, please, see, if you need me, see what, I'm just coming from police station right now. I was detained since yesterday, being the 11th of October, yesterday, and I'm just being released today, being the 12th, after a lot of log ahead, which I'm going to tell people in this video. And I need all of you to pay attention because it might be you. Please, very dark man, this is not my kind of content. I don't come on Facebook without ranting. But I have to speak out for the life of those people I saw today and yesterday in State CID, Imo State Owerri. Especially anti-narcotic and drug section at State CID, at government at Imo State Owerri. Anti-narcotic. Please pay attention to that name in that section, anti-narcotic and drug section. Let me explain to you what happened. Very dark man, please take this because I know you know how to handle such cases like this. I know you know how to handle cases like this very, very well. That's why I'm mentioning. I don't normally tag people in my video, but I'm going to tag you. I'm going to tag police. I'm going to tag Inspector General of Police. I'm going to tag Hope Uzodinma in this video. What happened? I came from Port Harcourt to Owerri to make a video. We have a movie shoot we are shooting in my production. Now, let me start from the beginning. In the beginning, when we were making videos before, we do use real US dollars, real Nigerian money, and real currencies to make videos. But because of security reasons, we are advised by our production to stop using real money. We should be using prop money. Prop money and fake currencies you use in videos. So you will not have to disrespect currencies in videos. Now, we are going for a location to shoot. From location where we're going to shoot, one of my crew members lost his phone. We decided to say, okay, let's go to MTN and retrieve his number so that someone will not pick that phone and start doing rubbish with the phone. On the way at Yaradua Drive, I will not forget Yaradua Drive, World Bank, close to everyday supermarket, there's an MTN office there. As we are going, there is this group of people called themselves the anti-narcotic and drug police or whatever they call themselves. I don't know. They stopped us and started searching our vehicle. I told them, officer, I'm a press man. I showed them my ID card. Look at it. I told them I'm a press man. And again, I'm also an actor. I work with the AGN. And we are going to recover our phone SIM card that just blocked or that just lost so that we can go back to our location. They said, how to search us? I said, okay, search us. They started searching. Me, two of my crew members, and our car. Then they started seeing our props. They saw the prop money. 2 bundles of the prop money. Which in all of those money, they wrote in the notes that this money is not to be used for purchase, but for movie shoot only. It's written in all the money. They say, the first thing that the officers say, see money, when I don't enter the wala, when I go pay tire. What is the meaning of that? Pay tire on what? I said, pay tire on what? I don't understand you. What do you mean? They say, am I an AGM member? I say, yes. Where's your ID card for printing this money? I say, this money, actually, I'm not the one that printed it. It's my producer that printed it. And he has his ID card. He has his registered. Our platform is registered. I start showing them my platform, both my personal platforms. Big platform I'm telling you about. Platform what millions of subscribers, followers. Start showing them. Look at people. Show them previous videos you are using the money to do. And reasons why you are using prop money. They said, no, we must go to the station. They put us in their bus. Park our car one corner. Put us in their bus and kept us there for over 1 hour. This was happening around 2 p.m. That's 11th of October. Now, it's not end there. We're asking them, what is the problem? What did you do? They say, we'll find out. Before you know, one will come and meet you. Which platform is your platform? I showed them. Look at my platform. Don't you know my face? I'm a very popular someone online. What's the problem? Before you know, in the presence of there we are, some group of guys came there with bike. They searched them and they saw dagger, saw knife, saw different arms. And they put handcuffs down and put them with us. I was like, officer, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Allow us to go and retrieve our SIM card and go home. They said we must go station or we should settle them there. Now we should go to station that we are going to pay 1.5 million. For what? 1.5 million for what? Okay, allow me, let me call my producer so that he will come here now with his ID card and proof and claim this money and the rest of the money that we even have. They said no. I said, don't forget, please, let them be. I'm not introduce myself. I'm a press man too. Look at my ID card. I don't go anywhere without my ID card. Look at, I'm a press man. They say, oh, you're a press man. Give me your phone before you start videoing us now and start posting us online. I was, oh, so you know what you are doing is wrong. And you said that I should use my phone. I said, no, well, take my phones. Anything you need to do. I'm not a fraudster. I don't do drugs. All I do is content creation. I do business. And I also do music acting. And I'm an EP. So why are you keeping us here? After delay and wasting time, they are telling us that we settle them. And we should bribe them. For what reason? Or they will take us to State CID already. Anti-narcotic and drugs section. I know I'm calling that name. They not took us to that place. Okay, let's go. When I go there, I'll call my lawyer. If I call my lawyer, I'll call my producer. We went there. What happened? They kept us on the floor. We sit down. I was like, okay, it's a process. I sat down. We should give them our phone. They don't need our phones. They took the phones and kept. We should remove our slippers. Me and 2 of my crew members. I told them, please, don't detain my crew members. I'm the one in possession of this crop US dollars. Allow my crew members to go. Hold me if you want to hold me. And please, allow me to call my lawyer. And allow me to call my producer. They said, don't worry, we'll allow you. They kept us in counter for over 2 hours again, or 1 hour, going to 3. Please, now becoming after 3. Before you know, they said, oh yeah, let's stand up and go to cell. I said, why are we going to the cell? What did we do? They said, let's go to the cell. That they will call us one after the other to come and make our statement. I said, okay, I obeyed them. We went to the cell. They locked us up, even with the people they saw arms, a man that they saw with a bag of drugs. They locked us up. I was saying, bro, what is this? I'm not a criminal. Why keeping me in this association of people like this? What is the problem? Okay, call us out. They left us and went home. They went us, wait, because I have their names. That's why I'm telling you. And just hold on. Okay. Now, the IPO that is in charge of this case now in that same anti-narcotic and drugs is IPO Mary. IPO Mary. If you enter that office like this, she stays at the left flank like this. Where she works under OC, the officer in charge, Jude. The man is called Jude. And I know I'm calling their names. I'm calling their names in this video. Now, they locked us up there. They didn't allow me to call my lawyer. They didn't allow me to call my producer. They left us there. Even my family. They didn't allow me to call my family. If police are kidnapping, is it not kidnapping? Is it not kidnapping? I said, okay, please, release my crew members. Let them go, because I know one of them have health issue. Let them go. They left us there, no food. Till night, they left us and went home. At night, we had cell 12 in that State CID cell. close to that anti-narcotic and drugs, whatever they call themselves. They are at cell 12. You can go there and confirm. What I'm telling you now, is there any movie production team that they brought in cell 12, that one of them nearly died at night because that was having heart issue and asthma, and his asthmatic, no inhaler there. They put this in the night, then they put this their mosquito coil because of mosquito. This started warning the boy. We are over like 17 people or 20 people in that small cell. The guy that was toughy. This started. I was like, please, I was shouting, police, police, come, emergency. I cried. Go to cell 12, as I'm telling you, cell 12 in Stacey Ewooh. Ask them what happened yesterday in cell 12 at night. I was shedding tears like a baby because I don't know that this kind of thing can happen in Nigeria. I was crying. What is the please? If this guy should die, they will hold me responsible. The family will hold me responsible for killing that. They will say that the one that killed their son. What is the problem? Around this guy, they didn't take medical measures. A policeman came there and said, if he dies, they know what they will do with him. A policeman came and said, if he dies there, they know what they will do with him. We are not criminals, mind you. We are not criminals. They left us there. The letter came after the war. I think that became was they dragged him outside for water. They had to go and find a hela. I remember they found a hela and revived the boy that day and still locked us again that night. We slept the next morning. They did not call, they did not allow us call our family members. If not for some news that was flying, people who saw me on the way, because even when I entered the cell, people are like, you see, I see your video, you know. I was like, thank you, thank you, thank you. They treated me well in the cell because they know that yes, I deserve it. I deserve the respect. If not for news that flied, that my family have to know that see you, they hold this guy, they hold this guy here. They start calling police. My lawyers came. My lawyers have to come there. Calls from Abuja, start coming in. Start coming in. Start coming in. The rest are saying rubbish. Before they say we should pay money. We say pay money for what? They say 1.5 million. 1.5 million, say 300,000. We say pay money for what? Pay money for, my last was them. Pay money for what? They say okay, that they bought inhaler for that my guy, because that happened to him again this morning. That we should pay for the inhaler. Somebody said 15k. My lawyer paid 15k. I said look at my money for the inhaler. But then it's free. What was coming? He said we'll pay. I said what is all this? Letter. After many calls, they were trying to run away from the office. They will say they're not on scene. After many calls came in, they had to release us with my lawyer to go. But my brothers, if you go to that cell, that station, I'm telling you, say CID, a lot of innocent people are there. They don't allow them to call their family. They don't allow them to call their lawyer. They don't allow them to call anybody. They lock them there. They lock them there. Cry, no food. They don't even give them food. They don't even give them food. No food. They don't even give them food to eat. People like they'll be there. People pass, they'll begging them. Before I left there, I know how much food we bought and go and give them there. You know how much we counted and give to them. Say, when I take chop. Beg that man, please. Please. Inspector of Police, I'm begging you, please. Inspect this. I'm telling you, this happened 11th yesterday, 11th of October 2024. I'm just coming out from the print from the cell. Now look at it. I said I must make this video. If I cannot use my platform, me that have voice and say it. If me, they can do it to me that have voice to the world to see. How much more innocent ones that don't have voice but are dying there, and they say if they die, they know what to do them. They know what to do with them. What are they going to do with the people that they will allow to die there? That did not do anything. Most of them don't know that their family don't know that they are there. The boy was crying for me, please, young see, please. If you go out, please look for a way. I said, don't worry, if I go out, I'll make video. Go to cell 12 as I'm telling to you and ask what happened last night. Ask what happened. What they do, the officer in charge will now come. They will get sector boss and gather some boys and tell them to go to the street and make account for the keke. Then if after the whole day no account, then those boys will not count innocent people and tell them to sell. Then as they move me to sell. So if it can happen to me, it can happen to you, your brother, your sister, your mother, anybody out there. And that's the reason why people will not even share this video to create awareness. I'm begging, hope on them, this thing I'm saying happened real. And I'm not coming and besides saying rubbish. And first of all, my other team who are in that state CID, as I'm speaking to you right now, my friends who are in that state CID, that started gathering names and more names of people who are in charge and that does all this rubbish in that station. It started from the one that held me and my crew. Even that Mr. Jude, I know I'm calling your name and your pictures will soon go online. My next video I will post your video, your pictures and the pictures of all of you. Both when they call Biggie, both the name, all of you. You see your video online. And if nothing is done, I know people must be brought to book. People must be brought to book. My wife, everybody are working, everybody are in debt. From Abuja calls are coming in. And people must pay for what people did to me and my crew member for nothing. And if you care, unless I drop the case, we'll go to court and you'll see what will happen. If people can do it to me that have voice, how much more people that does not have voice out there? What will happen? What will not happen? Please, I'm begging that man. I know you know how to follow. I will chat you up, sir, because I will chat you up. I know you know how to follow cases like this. I will chat you up. If you for me to kneel down, I will kneel down. This is not my kind of content, but I have to do it. People are dying there. And if you have food, mineral bread, please go to that station and give people. They don't feed them, they are hungry. A boy was shooting and look at my tummy. I've not even eaten. A boy was shooting, look at his buttocks is not sagging because I've not eaten. He said you have been there for 1 week and 4 days, they are not allowed to make call. Why now? Why? 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 I shed tears. Ask them what happened there in cell 12 in that state CID, close to anti-narcotic or what and drugs. Cell 12. Ask them what happened there 11th of October 2024. Ask go to those ask them, ask their president currently. He knows us because he was very happy what we bought for them today. I was crying like a baby. I've never seen myself cry for somebody like that. That is not my blood brother. I was crying because someone was about to lose their life. If it happened to me, it happened to you. If you don't share this video for create awareness, if I cannot speak on my platform, where should I speak from? I should have I'm a press man. I'm a press man. And they think, is it a joke? Is it a joke? All they want is money. I should bribe you, a police officer. Unless I drop this case, we will see in court. Unless I drop this case from Abuja, we will see for court. Thank you very much. So guys, I'm just coming from the hospital right now where we admitted one of my crew members, the one I told that nearly lost his life, that was detained in that cell. Now, my lawyers are taking every report necessary, both doctors' reports, so that when we come to court, we know where to start from, first of all. And I know the videos I'm making, that my security, people now, my security is right at stake. But anything that happens to me, my team know who to hold already. My lawyers, they know who to hold already. I'm not talking about the black, but my security matters. And people are taking due process, calls are coming in, and we are making calls. Investigations are going on as we are speaking. From Abuja, investigations are going on. Like I said, peace and love, guys. Stay safe.
Yeah, I don't need to ask you if you have watched the video because I believe you must have listened to him. It's quite long, but I believe his story will keep you waiting to the end, isn't it? I believe nobody will watch this video and said, yeah, I watched it halfway. I don't think so, because you would like to know what he was saying it with passion. The question is, before this happened to him, has he made any video in condemnation of police or what is going on in Nigeria and security forces and the rest of them? The answer is no. When you hear that the by people that went for wedding, youths, and they were carrying their body on a wheelbarrow, the video was online, it was everywhere. It went viral. How many of these celebrities condemned that kind of killing? None. When they're shooting against IPOB members, only Biafrans, people who have compassionate in them, voice out and condemn that. Apart from few people that talk about it, even some of them have stopped talking. That was why people was not happy with Ewooh when he was trying to dine and whining with Hope Uzodinma. Until this day, I distanced myself from Ewooh because of that incident. And I don't want to talk about it because it is a personal issue. I don't hate him as a human being, but I need to be careful with anybody that is associating, in your life as a man of God. That's a story from that day. But what I'm trying to say is that all these popular people, politicians, well-known celebrities, and famous individuals from Southeast, knowing then I see what guys are, so they might find a better way. Pretend they don't hear anything. When it happened to you, you want people to talk. This guy just only few experience, and he was fuming. But thank God for his life that he made it out, and he's now seeking people to help those in that prison. And I'm using the opportunity to, I hope that it will get to PM, okay, to know the location of this police station in Imo State. Not to buy anybody there, but at least to give them warning sign, to let them know that Biafrans are not happy with what they're doing. He said that a lot of people that are there, innocent people, in the Imo State, who are those innocent youth that we're talking about? Igbo youth. Our people are there, going through hell. That even to call your people that to know where their whereabouts, they refused. In the presence of Hope of the mass regime, all these things happening. Anyway, I don't need to say much. I want to know what you feel and what you think about the video that you just watched. Is it the way forward, or are we going to fall hand like that? Because now they put that one about what to be. You want to work and you will answer. Of course, you must have something to say. Then your brain will start working to know what to do. Are you going to wait until it happens to you or your loved one? That's the question. Anyway, thank you so much for your time. Like I said, God bless you, and don't forget to like the video. We are streaming on our second channel. We just made just a very few reaction video there, and I expect you to go and subscribe. Kai Report News. Subscribe to that channel. Like I said, we need to have the district leg one running. We don't need to wait until anything. So you understand what I mean? But God's so kind, or hopefully God will not allow it to happen. But please subscribe to our second backup channel, Kai Report News. You want to type it, you see the link, because I put the link here on this platform. Once you type Kai Report News, it will come. But I may change the name in the future, but let it be Kai Report News for now. But just type it and subscribe there. Give us a subscription. It's very important. Thank you so much, and see you again. Bye bye for now.